beautiful voice. Where are you? Maybe here? Or here? Where are you? Don't run away from me! Where is this lovely voice coming from? Not in this cute house either. Oh, guys, I found her! My Ariel, it was you. I can't confuse your beautiful voice with anyone else's.
What's going on, Sammy? Why are you so excited?
It's Ariel. I heard her singing. I'm sure it was her.
Oh, that's why. You know, Sammy, your mermaid has always been closer than you even imagined. Under the sea, do-do-do-do. Under the sea, do-do-do-do.
That was you, Sue! You sounded just like my favorite princess.
Oh, Sammy, I hope you're not upset.
A little.
Since this doll reminded you of Ariel, let's add some mermaid features to her appearance. Hello guys! Today we're gonna make a mermaid tail and bright costume for our Ariel. First, let's make a shape which will be the base for the fish scales. There's nothing better than a plastic wrap for that.
You need to wait a bit, my dear. Soon you'll have the best costume in the world.
Sammy, I can see this doll has really filled your heart.
Yes, she reminds me of Ariel so much. I adore her. Oh, how beautifully she sings. I'll sing a duet with her, 'cause Ariel I adore.
Bravo, Sammy! You'll make a wonderful duet. By the way, can you help her? We need to make a top, but I've already put the wrap away.
I'll do anything for lovely Ariel.
Thank you, Sammy. All right, let's take some of the wrap and cut it in half this way. Let's separate it from the roll. There we go. And let's wrap it twice around her. There. Done. Here's what we've got. For the next step, we need glue.
Glue? Will you put glue on Ariel? Sounds not so good.
Seems like I left it in another room. No problem. Be right back.
I'll save you, Ariel. We'll escape.
Strange, where is she? Sam's gone too.
Save yourself, Ariel. Swim!
Sammy, no, don't throw her in the bath. Phew, I barely saved her from Sam. Now we can start on the mermaid tail.
Be careful. The glue is hot.
It's all right, Sammy. Look, she's smiling. I bet she likes the color. And she's also happy she didn't jump into the water without a tail.
Oh, you're right. I panicked, but I worry anyway. She's my favorite.
I understand. Guys, I believe you've got a favorite Disney princess, too.
Oh, tell us her name in the comments. We'll see whose fandom is the biggest. Oh, I almost forgot. Seems something is missing here. I'm going to make a fin so she can swim better.
Great idea, Sammy. In the meantime, we continue with our part. Right, let's make a transition to a dark green color, while the fin will be blue.
I've almost finished the fin.
Good! Meanwhile, I'm making the same wave pattern like we did with the previous color. So beautiful, but I think it's not shiny enough. So I'll use nail polish with glitter. Right, let's add some glitter to our life. This way. And spread it well. I've got gadgets and gizmos aplenty. I've got a drop of pearlescent stuff.
Wow, mesmerizing.
I don't know when, I don't know how, but I know something's starting right now. Watch and you'll see. Someday I'll be part of your world. Ta-da! Isn't it great, guys? But that's not all.
Because my Ariel will also have the most beautiful fin.
Right. Let's apply several layers of our colorful glue. Amazing! Both the shape and the color at once. Guys, do you want to see more doll makeover videos on our channel? Write in the comments what kind of transformation you would like to see next time. And here's our lovely fin.
Holy cannoli, I love it! What's next?
We're going to attach the fin to the tip of the tail. Guide me, Sammy.
Careful. Closer, closer. Stop. Okay, good. All right. Don't forget to blow. I'm watching you. Make sure she's not too hot.
Don't worry, Sammy, she's okay. I finished. Now, let's make her signature shelled top. It'll be in contrast with the tail. This raspberry polish will help us. Our bright shells are ready! We only need to secure them on the doll. All right, guys, we're on the finish line. Let's cover our ribbon with hot glue. We'll apply hot glue along the contour. Under the sea, under the sea. Now let's attach our shells. There!
Oh, Susie, this color matches her fiery hair.
Okay, seam's dry. Now, let's color the ribbon with the same polish. Be careful, a little bit here. And here on the sides. Check it out! Do you like it, Sammy?
Blub, 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 blub.
You're right, she's gorgeous.
Blub, blub, blub.
We secured the shell top on the doll without the plastic wrap. Now it's time to work with a cutter. Let's make a small cut. Guys, be careful with sharp objects. You better ask an adult to help you.
Oh, I bet, Sue, we've spent so much time making it and now you're cutting it into pieces.
Sammy, you don't put the carriage before the horse. We just need to shape the suit a little. You'll see.
Susie, while you were busy with the tail, I made my own version. Let's hurry up and compare what we got. What do you think?
Very beautiful, but why is it lopsided?
It just happened. Come on, finish your tail and let's start the show.
Just a moment, Sammy. All right, let's widen it a little.
Hurry up, Susie. Guys, meanwhile, you can hit the bell and write in the comments which tail you like the most. Mine or Susie's.
It worked! Now we need to get rid of all the extra parts. Let's cut these plastic wrap pieces so they don't hang out. This way. All right, now we can try on our tails. Guys, I hope you liked the video. Hit the bell and give a thumbs up to make us happy.
Guys, also don't forget to write what video you'd like to see next. We'll choose the best ideas.
Down where it's
Under the sea. I forgot the words.
Guys, seems like we need a music lesson. See you soon!
Yeah, you're right. Guys, don't forget to write which of the tails you like the most. Already miss you. Bye-bye.